Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix poor signal on T-Mobile. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to turn on airplane mode for about 30 seconds and then turn it off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest tower. After that, restart your phone. This clears temporary network issues that can affect signal strength. Now, check your network settings. Open up your settings. Inside, simply tap on cellular. And just like that, make sure automatic network selection is turned on, and then set your network mode to 5G, LTE or 4G on auto. If the signal is still weak, you can remove your SIM card, clean it gently and insert it back properly. You should even update your phone software. Hit back to your settings, then tap on General, tap on Software Update, and then update your software, since updates often include a network improvement. If you're indoor, try moving near a window or going outside, as walls can block signal. And finally, if nothing works, you can simply contact T-Mobile support and ask them to refresh your line or check for coverage issue in your area. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.